Hello and welcome to another video tutorial with Sarah Hooser. Today we're going to be looking at a resource called ISTE, I-S-T-E. It stands for International Society for Technology in Education. ISTE open educational resources are free and openly licensed educational materials. They include a variety of instructional content and professional development tools that aim to help educators integrate technology into their classrooms to create a more engaging learning environment. There is some members-only content where you'll be required to sign in, but there's plenty of content on this website that doesn't require membership. I'm going to show you two ways to perform a search on ISTE to find a type of media. Searches on ISTE are customizable and intuitive, allowing the user to narrow down what will best suit their needs and their students' needs. Let's get started. The first way to search is to simply use the general search function on the home page. So over here on the right, you'll see the search icon. If you click on that, you can enter a search term. And we'll just start searching for STEM. That can be, the search terms can be, a subject or an audience or even a format. But for today, I'm going to do STEM as my search. And then I can come onto this next window and I can narrow my search results down by audience, topic, course format, or media type. And I know that I want a podcast, so I'm going to change that to podcast. And these are my search results. So I can scroll through these and see if any of those fit my needs and see what they're like. Now, when I click on it, it will take me directly to the podcast and I can see notes here about episode guests. I can comment, I can see other podcasts, and I can go ahead and just start listening by clicking this arrow button here. So let's go back and look at a second way to search for a podcast. So if we go back to the home page, the second way to search for podcasts as a media type on this site is to go to this menu bar on the top and scroll over to Learning Library. We choose Podcasts, and it takes us to all the podcasts. Now, these are featured podcasts, which might be good for what we're looking for, but these are also a series of podcasts. So we'll keep scrolling and we'll get down to the search window here. And so we can narrow this down now by audience and topic. So for this audience, I want to choose librarians. And for topic, I would like to choose digital media and creativity. And these are my podcast results. You can see there are 2 pages here, and I can look at these and see if any of these fit my needs. Let's see, let's take a look at this one. So on this podcast, you can see the show notes and the transcript. You can also scroll back up to the top, and on this left side, you can go to all episodes produced by the Edge podcast. So you'll be able to look at everything they've done if you really like their work. So we will go back to the home page. And now you guys know 2 different ways to find media type on the ISTE website, specifically podcasts. And ISTE is a great tool for educators. And now I hope you guys will explore their podcast and see what they have to offer you. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.